In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Grok AI history. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past conversations and how to remove the ones you no longer need, quickly and confidently. Start by opening Grok. Once the app or site loads, focus your attention on the left side of the screen. That sidebar is where navigation lives, and within it you'll find the History section. History is the place that stores a record of your previous activity, so it's helpful for picking up where you left off. But it can get cluttered over time. Inside History, you'll see entries organized so you can get to what you're looking for fast. Depending on your setup, you might see a split between Categories and a Chat tab. Categories group related conversations, while the Chat tab typically lists individual chats. Choose the area that contains the item you want to remove so you're looking right at it. When you've located the conversation or category you want to delete, move your mouse over it. Don't click yet, just hover. As you hover, a small menu icon with 3 dots should appear. This icon is a quick actions menu that stays out of the way until you need it. If you don't see it at first, ease your cursor to the right edge of the item, or pause for a moment to let the interface reveal it. Click the 3 dots to open the options for that specific conversation or category. In the menu that appears, look for Delete. Click Delete to remove the item from your history. Keep in mind that deleting is typically permanent, which is great for keeping your space tidy, but it also means you'll want to double-check you're removing the correct item before you proceed. You may see a brief notice reminding you that the action can't be undone. That's normal, and simply there to help prevent accidental removal. After you delete, the item should disappear from the list right away. If you were cleaning up multiple entries, just repeat the same process. Hover over the next item, click the 3 dots, and select Delete. Working methodically makes it easier to keep track of what you've already handled. If the list looks unchanged, give the page a moment or refresh the view to see the update. That's all there is to it. Open Grok. Head to History on the left, hover over the item you want to remove in the Categories or Chat tab, click the 3 dots, and press Delete. With these simple steps, you can keep your Grok AI history organized and clutter-free whenever you need.